Assalamualaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. So I come back with another video. This video make for online income earning site. So I will talking about later about this site, but now I introduce my channel. My channel name is Crypto and Travel News. It's made for crypto related news and also travel related news. So now I uploaded crypto related news and also uh, uploaded travel news. So you can watching two uh, two types video in my channel. So now I made this video only crypto related. In future more and more travel news include this site. So now I go to my main topic, but I have a another request. If you any income related online income related question and another, then you can join my channel crypto and travel news, and press the bell icon and press the all option, then you will receive all notification firstly. I have a telegram group which name is BTCS Satoshi gift card exchange. You can join this site, then you will exchange your hash card. My channel member so little, but if you join this site, it's bigger few days. Okay, you can exchange your card and other information you can collect from this card if you need it. Okay, so now I go to my main topic. I also this site there, if you want to earning BNB coin, then you can join this site. It's a new site, so you can join this this site. Okay, it's a new site, so please join now. Okay, here's the other information that are important for joining this site. If you joining this site, you need to faucet pay account. If you do not faucet pay account, you cannot join this site. Okay, so I in future I will how to create a faucet pay account. Make this for video, because many of the site faucet pay account, without faucet pay account you cannot withdraw from or claim this money. Okay, so my this site name is BNB Forces site. So it's a new site. You can every 3 minutes after you claim, Okay, so if you when you come to my link, then your interface was is this. Then you need to be in the BEP 20 address needed. So you go to now your faucet pay account, then you go to your deposit option. So when you scroll down, then here is a Binance BEP BNB address. You can copy it and go to your wallet. You go to this site, then paste option. Okay, so when you paste option, then press the login button. Okay, now please I want to show you claim between 150 and 200 Satoshi every 3 minutes. Okay, you can you earning this side 180 to 150 to 150 to 200 BNB every 3 minutes after. So now how to create from claim this BNB site, I also teach you. Here is your referral link. If you joining this this referral link by invite this, then if you earning 20% commission your referral link. So I also login, press the login button. Here is the main earning option. When you come to this option, here is the solve captcha. Click on anti-bot links in the following order to continue. Here is the option ostrich, tiger, horse, and rhino. So you everything is changed. Okay, you click this option by serially. Okay, ostrich, please following me. So ostrich, I have a ostrich. Now one option is complete. Now tiger is a tiger, horse, here is the horse, rhino is the rhino. So what do you do now? Then option then the I am human. So option click, and here is the image your Toyota Terra. So what is the Toyota now? You option choose this. Here is. So next option, here is, and verify. So it's complete. Now verify this captcha. So when you verify the option captcha, then you get total. You get Satoshi, BNB Satoshi. So I got 155 Satoshi. Okay, now I go to my faucet account. Please refresh it. Okay, dashboard option, use the dashboard. So here is now I receive 155 BNB. So immediate instant payment this site. So here is my balance. So you can join me go fastly and earning BNB faucet, BNB coin from this site. So it's real site. So join now, and I also this link I also when I uploaded this video, then you can get this link. So no more today. Please share for me and join my YouTube channel and Telegram group. So thank you very much. আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।